SMD Gearbox offers an industrial solution for motion transmission as a trailblazer in the manufacturing of various types of industrial gearbox in Taiwan. SMD is one of the largest manufacturers and exporters of high-precision gearbox solutions. SMD developed professional manufacturing capabilities offering various types of solutions such as inline planetary gearbox with flange-end, right-angle gearbox, planetary gearbox with shaft-end, hollow rotary gearbox, harmonic gearbox and cycloidal gearbox. The inline planetary gearbox with flange-end is designed for precision platform rotation. The main series of planetary gearbox is SNDU, with main features are nominal output torque range, 27 Nm to 380 Nm. Backlash, less than 1 arc-minute. Output ratio range, from ratio 1:3 to ratio 1:100. Another series of inline planetary gearbox with shaft-end is Snp Series, designed to be paired with various servo motors. Snp Series has unique features as nominal output torque range, 13 Nm to 530 Nm, backlash, less than 1 arc-minute, and output ratio range, from ratio 1:3 up to ratio 1:100. The right-angle gearbox SS series having hollow output shaft is designed to match various applications with features as nominal output torque range, 13 Nm to 800 Nm, backlash, less than 5 arc-minutes, and output ratio range, from ratio 1:4 to ratio 1:200. Hollow rotary gearbox by SMD is developed with high precision, which is having features as nominal output torque range, 3 Nm to 90 Nm, backlash, 30 arc-seconds, output ratios, 1:10 and 1:30. Harmonic Gearbox SCSG series is designed for high-rigidity stable precision work, with its unique features as nominal output torque range, 21 Nm to 180 Nm, backlash, less than 17 arc-seconds, and output ratio, 1:50, 1:80, 1:100 and 1:120. Another type of harmonic gearbox is the SSHG series, having features as nominal output torque range, 20 Nm to 180 Nm, backlash, less than 17 arc-seconds, and output ratio, 1:50, 1:80, 1:100 and 1:120. Cycloidal Gearbox SRVE series, with a wide range of reduction in high-rated torque capacity in the short axial dimension. Rated output torque, 72 Nm to 4,410 Nm, backlash, less than 1 arc-minutes, and output ratio, 1:82 and 1:300. Focused on research and development, SMD has produced a wide range of gearboxes which contributes to the growth of industry. In doing so, we have accumulated technical expertise that electrifies our progress. SMD serving a wide range of industries including automation and robotics industry, packaging industry, machine tooling industry, medical and pharmaceutical industry, agricultural industry, and printing industry. Why choose SMD? Because we provide you best quality and cost-effective solutions that satisfy customer requirements. We offer affordable rates and guaranteed delivering a perfect assortment at customers' doorstep have gained us a large number of clients all over the globe. SMD provides high-precision servo gearbox. To get more information on our solutions, visit our website at www.smdgearbox.com.